Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be talking a little bit more about Elephant Wars. There is a page that I have on Facebook that I use even on YouTube, that is Pucci Loves History. In this channel, I am Queen of Our for America, and in Queen of Our for America, I share more about the prophetic analysis of world events as I see it from the Word of God. Now I would like to talk a little bit more about what I have been looking into a while back. I started and then I just kind of left it without continuing on with the topic, and that is elephant wars. What are elephant wars? From just background reading, I studied that elephant wars are wars where elephants were used in the wars as not only transport but as soldiers. So they wore weapons which they used to not only trample people who were in the war, but also to kind of slaughter them and kill them and their elephants that they came with too. So elephant wars is something that I understand as Queen of Our for America I have to take up, because when I was in Jeff Pepinger's movement, I ended up getting kicked out of the movement, and from there, during the times before I was kicked out, there was Pominder and Tess, and they were the leaders of the woke movement in the split. But after that, I started to realize that the messages that Tess took up and the messages that Pominder took up, along with the messages that Jeff was sharing, are messages that I have to share now. Unless then there's someone from Jeff Pepinger's movement who decides they're going to be sharing more on the messages that have to do with the elephant wars and the messages that have to do, in fact, with Jeff's messages. They might not do wars, because I do understand that wars, civil unrest, and terrorist attacks is messages that I have to share, because these are messages that are in my own messages. But I might find that there are people who decide that they're going to be sharing those messages, and they will share their messages, but I will continue doing my work also as Queen of Our for America. Having said that, I started out the elephant wars, and I hope to continue sharing more on this topic.